Reported speech can be confusing. Tenses change. Words like this turn into that, and sometimes you even see two that's in a row. He said that that car was fast. But don't worry, today I'll make it easy. In the next few minutes, you'll learn step by step how to change direct quotes into perfect reported speech, shift tenses correctly, change pronouns, time words, and place words. Also report questions and requests, and understand why we sometimes say that. Let's go. What is reported speech? Reported speech is when we repeat what someone else said, but we don't use their exact words. Direct speech. Sarah said, "I am tired." Reported speech. Sarah said that she was tired. See how the tense changed? And we use that to connect the two parts. Basic structure. The structure is simple. Subject, reporting verb, that, clause. Examples. Tom said that he was hungry. Maria explained that she had finished her homework. We agreed that it was a good idea. Natural speech tip. You can often drop that in everyday English. I tend to not, but I am an English teacher. Tom said that he was hungry. Tom said he was hungry. Maria explained that she had finished her homework. Maria explained she had finished her homework. Tense changes. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, we usually shift the verb in the reported speech back one step in time. This is called backshifting. So we have some direct speech and we have some reported speech. Present simple becomes past simple. I like coffee. She said that she liked coffee. Present continuous becomes past continuous. I am cooking. He said that he was cooking. Present perfect becomes past perfect. I have finished. She said that she had finished. Past simple becomes past perfect. I saw the film. He said that he had seen the film. Will becomes would. I will call you. She said she would call me. Can becomes could. I can swim. He said he could swim. May becomes might. It may rain. She said it might rain. Pronoun and word changes. I told you we have to change a lot. Pronouns often need to be changed to keep the meaning correct. Direct. I love this city. Reported. He said that he loved that city. So here's a quick guide. I becomes he, she. We becomes they. You become I, we, or they, depending on the meaning of the sentence. My becomes his or hers. This becomes that. These become those. Here becomes there. Now becomes then. Direct speech. We are meeting here tonight. Reported speech. They said they were meeting there that night. Direct speech. You need to finish this work. Reported speech. He told me that I needed to finish that work. Confused yet? Time changes. When talking about past events, we usually adjust the time expressions. Today becomes that day. Yesterday, the day before, or the previous day. Tomorrow, the next day, or the following day. Next week, the following week. Last night, the night before. Places as well. Here becomes there. Ago becomes before. Now becomes then. Direct speech. I will call you tomorrow. Reported speech. She said that she would call me the next day. Reporting questions. Questions look different because we don't use question word order in reported speech. What questions? Where are you going? He asked where I was going. No question mark. Yes, no questions. Direct. Do you like pizza? Reported. She asked if I like pizza. Or she asked whether I like pizza. That's up to you. Tip. Remember to change tenses, pronouns, just like before. Requests, commands, advice. For imperatives, commands, use tell, object, to, verb. Direct. Close the window. Reported. She told me to close the window. For requests, ask, object, to, verb. Direct speech. Please help me. Reported. She asked me to help her. For negative commands, use not plus to plus verb. Direct. Don't be late. Reported. He told me not to be late. The double that. Sometimes you might see that in reported speech. This is not a mistake. For example, that car is very fast. He said that car was very fast. The first that is the connector. The second that is the demonstrative adjective. So in casual speech, many people drop the first that. I don't, I get it. He said that car was very fast. So don't panic if you see two that's together. It's perfectly correct. Let's practice together. Let's turn these sentences into reported speech. So I'm going to put 5 sentences, questions or requests on the screen. I'll give you 30 seconds and I want you to write them in the comments down below. While you're there, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go. Okay, did you get them? I'm sure that you did, but put them down below. It's always good to practice. I do check them, don't worry. So that is reported speech. It's very important to learn reported speech, especially when telling stories. Stories need people. If you have people in your stories and something is said, have someone say it. I'm going to do another video in the near future where I teach you how to write a story when answering questions such as tell me a time when. So today we learned the structure of reported speech, how to backshift tenses, how to change pronouns, time and place words, how to report questions, requests and commands, why that is not a mistake. Okay? Don't try to change everything at once. If you're new to this, just try one thing at a time, and then next time, try another thing. You will get there in the end, so don't worry about it. If you have any questions, just jot them down in the comments below. And thank you very much for watching to the end, guys. Thank you. I'll see you later.